love Halloween. Oh, I know I love Halloween. Oh, I remember when Roseanne did her Halloween specials. Okay, I didn't just say that. I've been sitting here thinking which craft I should do first. Halloween is coming up in a couple of weeks, and here where I live in this area, we are not doing Halloween. We're not allowed. So my little neighbor upstairs is 5 years old, and she's pretty upset that she can't do Halloween, trick-or-treating. And I said, you know what? I think I'd really like to do something for her. So what I did is I drew this. And I said, I can't do that for a 5-year-old little girl. She loves unicorns. I'm going to use her favorite color, which is pink. Yeah, I have an idea. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to go get my stuff. I'm going to... The first thing I did is I went on the net and I looked for a template for my unicorn. And this is what I came up with. But I printed it on regular paper because I didn't want to waste photo paper, because I reprinted it on photo paper. So what I did is I took the paper and I checked to see if it would fit, and it does. So then I went and printed it on photo paper. Here it is on photo paper. It just looks better. You don't have to do photo paper. I just find it looks better. So now, right now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our box, and we're going to try to get it on there pretty well where we want it. So if I kind of see how it is, it does not have to be perfect. What I'm going to do now, take a pencil, now on the photo paper, I don't know if you can see that, but the pencil doesn't really show. But it's okay because it does leave like a little indent so that you can follow. So I'm just going to put this aside. With my tremors, cutting is a very difficult thing. So I bought this little thing. Doesn't matter if you cut it a little shorter, because all we're going to do is center it. Is you're going to stick this and center it the best we can. Okay, no. We're going to align this the best we can and glue it down. And there we go. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take some ribbon. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to cut the ribbon about that length. If you need to trim, just follow the box. It'll help. It'll help you trim. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. It's cute like that, but we need a little more color. see, the green is so much nicer. The yellow one too is quite nice. Well, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to use both. And what I'm going to do the best I can to follow this line. Go. Once you get started, it's easier. You just pull on it and it'll straighten out pretty well. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to give the unicorn some hair. I have also filled 2 others. So here's our finished product, and as I said before, you can adapt this to any holiday, boy, Mother's Day.